Yo, what's good, guys? This is a Tech Kid here again, back with another video. So today I ordered the Mobile X. Well, I actually ordered it like on Sunday, but I just got it today, Wednesday, so November 9th. So yeah, but like yeah, I just got it today. So I'm gonna unbox this right now to see how it is. So see at the front it says Mobile X made just for you. So yeah, I'm gonna open it right now. So I pull tab right here. Damn, this thing hard. Shit, this thing hard though. Damn. Alright, there. You got it. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, alright, we got a sticker. Alright. I'm gonna definitely stick that shit up on my wall. Mobile X. Be you. Alright. So here we got the instructions. Here's the SIM card. So there's the paper if you guys want to see. But yeah, so I'm gonna go activate this SIM card right now, and I'll be back. Alright, so I got the SIM card out. So I'm gonna put it in my iPhone, like my iPhone 12. And let's see what it'll register as. Alright, so I put the SIM card in. So right now I'm actually getting nothing. It actually says only SOS. So like I'm in the settings, the cellular settings, and I don't know, still haven't gotten anything yet. So I don't know. I'm gonna go try to activate it on the app, and I'll see what. Alright, so after a while later, I finally managed to get the Mobile X activated. So yeah, it does say Mobile X 5G. Yeah, it only took me like a couple of minutes to just activate it, but yeah, everything went fine. So yeah, so I'm gonna test out the service. So I'm gonna run a speed test real quick. So we're gonna run a speed test. It actually picked up 5G ultra wideband, which it's C-band. It's not millimeter wave. Like yeah, this is at my house, so yeah, I'm not getting any millimeter wave. But I'm actually surprised the Verizon service actually not on the speed test list. Like I don't know, probably, man, who knows, probably what's the reason? Because like on my main Verizon line, it does appear the service and stuff, but I don't know, Mobile X it doesn't for some reason. So yeah, so I'm gonna click automatically select server, and alright, so I'm gonna run it right now. Alright. Up to the 200s. I wonder how much, like, I wonder how this would work on the Mobile X platform. Like you guys know, like it's I don't know, some AI stuff or something like that. So I'm just curious on how it'll work. Like how much data will I actually be using, like speed testing and stuff. Like me personally, I like to do speed testing. So yeah, I wonder like how much would it be if I were to actually get the service and stuff. So yeah, I'm on the 10-day free trial thing. So for the ISO results, we got 248 down, 13.2 up, 60 millisecond ping, and 4 millisecond jitter. So for the ping, like with Verizon postpaid, like yeah, it'll be like what, 40 average. So like I don't know, 20 milliseconds. It's not a huge difference, but still, like it's alright. So I'll run another speed test. Alright, so the ping we got we got a lower ping this time, but it's actually performing pretty good. Like you actually do get like 5G ultra wideband access, which is actually not bad. Like, I don't know. So for the results, we got 217 down and 12.5 up, 41 millisecond ping and 4 millisecond jitter. Like like, hey, it's pretty much like what I get like on Verizon postpaid. It's pretty much the similar performance. It's pretty much the same, honestly. Like, it's not really a huge difference. So yeah, so I'll be posting some speed test videos on Verizon and maybe Mobile X sometimes. I'm not gonna have the Mobile X line on my iPhone 12. I'll have it on the 6S, but like, yes, cause I don't know, I need to have, it's cause I use my iPhone 12 as my personal line and stuff. So yeah, but I will definitely be posting videos though. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.